Yes, we'd love to hear you on it, Dr. Weber.
Thank you so much, Megha.
So, what made you to explore Ayurveda, for greater body, mind, emotional health?
There's lot of reason. First, I'm very much keen interested. I have a keen interest in yoga and a meditation and a spiritual healing. I'm a very spiritual kind of person from my early childhood, and so that's why I got the interest. And second, I didn't get admission in MBBS, so the second option is Ayurveda. And after that, I start exploring more about Ayurveda. And today, I think I'm blessed that I'm a Ayurveda Acharya.
Lovely, lovely. So, for me, Dr. Weber, I'm not into Ayurveda alone, but say natural healing. I think
Yes.
one of the reasons was because my mother was diagnosed with stage 4, grade 4 brain cancer
Okay.
about, 13 years ago. And the we were literally told that she has 3 months to live. And I felt that no, there has to be some answers, beyond what allopathy is saying. To cut
Yes.
a long story short, she lived on for 10 years,
Okay.
after being given 3 months. And she had a wonderful life. And here is where I felt that all the natural healing methods worked so much because somewhere I feel that allopathy is very important, where, it's like a matter of life or death, or if it's something important. But when it comes to it just gives you a symptomatic treatment. Like
Yes.
it's not
Yes.
actually going to the cause. So
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
think
So
that's what
I
I
totally
observed.
agree. Ayurveda works on a healing, and Ayurveda works on the root cause. And I'm a Ayurvedic doctor, dietitian, and also I'm an oncology dietitian. So I
Right.
met so many cancer patient and a kidney patients. Allopathic doctors said diet didn't work, and so on, but it actually worked. So when you start focus on your physical health, mental health, and start opting natural healing method, your body will start repairing.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. So yes. So it's basically asking you that what's the one morning ritual that you follow for your body and mind?
So one morning ritual which I follow, I started my day with a glass of warm water, and I don't use my cell for at least 20 to 25 minutes.
Lovely. And
And
how does this warm water help, doctor? Because we hear so many people say that you should begin with warm water, but can you explain the logic behind it? It'll
yes,
be
yes, yes.
lovely.
So there's a lot of things. So your body is dehydrated all the night, 7 to 8 hours. After dehydration, you need a glass of water. Secondly, most of the people start their day with a tea or anything else, so it neutralize your body. And second, इन आयुर्वेदा हम बोलते हैं कि निर्जला मतलब आप बिना ब्रश के जो पानी पीते हो द फर्स्ट saliva cures your diabetes, so it's very important to take inside that saliva, and it has many benefit as breaking to your insulin resistance. So it's very important to start with a glass of one water, warm water, and try to meditate it.
Lovely, lovely. So beautiful. I didn't know that. Like, I didn't know that you're supposed to have your first saliva. Beautiful.
Saliva, yes.
Yes, that's a great thing that, I think our viewers would enjoy. So for me, the first thing that I do as I wake up is that, we never know in what way our day will go, what will happen. So I just go down on my, I bow down. And in my mind, I just thank my Mata, my Pita, my Guru, and Devam. And only with that gratitude, I begin my day. And I've seen such a big difference because typically, like you said, our usual thing is get up and see your mobile. But the thing
Mhm.
is, where have you got that few moments to yourself or
Yes.
to just express gratitude for the day?
Yes, gratitude is the energy, very fast energy, which actually heals you. So, in the last day of a night, at the night, I just do a gratitude. Thank you, God, for everything. I connect with the Shiva. In the morning, I just take a glass of water and I start affirmation like I'm like a world best dietitian, or I'm a very pure, peaceful, powerful soul. That's very important with the water it gives inside your body, and say good morning. In the night, I do a gratitude ritual, and which is very important. It's actually very important to try to connect yourself. In these days, we connect with everyone, we connect with gadgets, but we don't know about us.
Exactly. Exactly. Wonderful.
And can you tell us one technique that really helps you? So, the one technique is a meditation. So meditation is very important in my life. If I have learned something very interesting and very important or a life changing is a meditation. So start meditation is little bit tough because you can't focus your mind. You get have a lot of thoughts. I asked a lot of many people and they said when we they said their mind is full of thoughts. So you can start with the affirmations. So especially your start your day with the affirmation. Repeat one single word for 7 times, and in the night repeat your same affirmation 7 times. The message should be clear to the universe, and in the end of the day, the last message is very important because the last thought will remain in your body for 5 to 6 hours or 6 to 7 hours. So कभी भी टेंशन में नहीं सोना चाहिए, आपको एक अच्छा सा थॉट लेके अपने साथ में लेना सोना चाहिए. एंड एफ्रमेशन इज द मस्ट. एफ्रमेशन इज द very easy technique, okay, which calm your mind, which active your subconscious mind, and which prepare yourself for your for the meditation
Lovely, lovely. And I love the thought that your last thought stays in your body
for
you know,
5 to 6 hours. So
five
it's
to six
very
hours.
important.
So
Yes.
what you sleep with is so important. And I think for me, meditation has been, like a lot related to my breathing. So
Yes.
sometimes even when I'm not able to say focus or just become, thoughtless or calm, I just start focusing on my breathing, and I
Yes.
just box breathing where I'm like inhaling 3 times. Then I
Yes.
just hold it for 6 seconds. Then I exhale for six. Then I again inhale for three. And I've noticed that just the moment that my entire focus comes on my breath, automatically my mind becomes so much calmer and I'm a lot more meditative. So even if I'm not able to, in this fast paced life and we have so much going on, even if I'm not able to meditate, I at least ensure that I'll wake up every morning and do a lot of breathing. And in that breathing, calming down, the meditation just
Breathing is very important technique. People are ignoring these days. Taking a good breath work is very important. Especially अगर मैं कैंसर पेशेंट्स की बात करती हूँ या किसी की भी, हमारी बॉडी से जो एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है या एक्सक्रीशन से टॉक्सिन्स की 3 वे से निकल सकती है. वन, आपका जो नॉर्मल एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है, आपका गट क्लियर होनी चाहिए मॉर्निंग के अंदर, ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड, जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, रन करते हैं थ्रू अ स्वेट. एंड द थर्ड, हम अपनी बॉडी से टॉक्सिन्स को रिमूव कर रहे हैं थ्रू ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज. तो ब्रेथ वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Secondly, rhythmic breathing, like you have to hold your breath, it calm down your mind, or it also prepare yourself for a yogic state. So breath work is very important. But these days people are not able, don't want to sit on a mat or do a breath work. So affirmation is like a apple for a meditation. So I just tell them, do affirmation whenever you are driving, whenever you're doing a work, and it actually works.
great. Awesome.
Tomorrow morning, for maximum health benefits, what would each of you recommend and why?
Yeah.
So I recommend start your day little slow. Try to connect yourself. Start with a glass of warm water, any detox water. After that, the nuts are very important, and then do a Ayurvedic ritual like a oil pulling is very important. जिसको हम आयुर्वेदा में गंडुश बोलते हैं. Then sit in a malasana. Do your morning with a very slow, and the one thing is very important. Start your day with a glass of warm water.
Wonderful. I think one morning ritual that I have been following for a very long time is that, like I said, I get up with gratitude. And after that, immediately I'll go, down in my house, there's a garden. I'll just go to the garden, I'll roll out my yoga mat, and I let my body guide me. So some
Yes.
days maybe it's just pranayam, some days it's stretches, some
Yes.
days it's affirmations, whatever I feel like. But like you said, that I don't immediately go to my phone. I don't
Yes.
immediately get into the action mode. I take it slow,
Yes.
I take it easy.
Yes, so it's
And
very
I
important
begin,
to start your day with a
yeah,
very slow. But most of the time,
and I begin morning
mothers
with
are
like,
yelling on their, crying on their children, "Utho, utho, utho." No, first correct
yeah.
yourself. Start your day very slow.
Yeah. So for me, it's very important also. Like one thing that I've been following that's helped me a lot is I begin my morning with a fresh bowl of fruits. So somehow for
Okay.
me, all color fruits with a lot of
Hmm.
raisins, kaju, everything. I feel that especially as a woman and as a mother, I need that energy boost, and that's been really helping me a lot. So it's
Okay.
been wonderful. Yeah. So Dr. Vibha, anything else? that you feel, you'd like to add as a final tip for everyone? Because everyone's wanting to become healthier. And yeah,
So, if you want to become a healthier, first focus on yourself, try to connect yourself, focus on your meals, focus on your physical and mental health, and always remind yourself that nothing is important in life uh, than your physical or mental or emotional health. So, be a little selfish and focus on yourself.
I think I would like to completely agree to that. That sometimes we feel we have to do this, that, we have to run behind all that, but we won't even enjoy those 100 crores if we don't have our body
Yes.
with us. We won't enjoy our children growing up if we
Yes.
don't have our body as a vehicle. So, yes, let's be selfish if it has to be, but we have
Yes.
to give that time out for our health.
डेफिनेटली एंड आई ऑलवेज से कि आप सामने वाले को वही दोगे जो आपके पास होगा, तो पहले अपने आप से प्यार कीजिए, अपनी हेल्थ के ऊपर फोकस करिए ताकि बच्चों को भी आप वो ही दे पाएंगे। जब आपके पास अपनी हेल्थ नहीं होगी, अपना मेंटल पीस नहीं होगा, तो आप वही एनर्जी अपने घर में ट्रांसफर कर रहे
True.
हो एंड
True.
इट एक्चुअली आपके घर का एटमॉस्फेयर पूरी तरह से खराब हो जाएगा उससे।
Absolutely. Wonderful. Thank you so much. It was
थैंक यू।